front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Biometrics and Password. Now you need to choose Lock Screen Password over here and click on Change Password Type to pick the best one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, or alphanumeric password. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, it's time to create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner. If you want to redo your login method, hit Redraw at the bottom left one. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, hit Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, select Cancel. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icon set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!